Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. This is my sweet doggy Charlie. Today is day 2 of Empowered, your 5-day walking challenge. We're going to focus on our upper body strength. So if you have a set of light to medium weights, please grab those now. You might have guessed it already, but our mantra today is I am strong. Nice. All you need is to slip on your sneakers and let's get started. I'm going to meet you back here in our gentle walk. Let's go. All right, my friend, meeting back here in our gentle walk. We're walking in place. This is our home base. We always come back here. So if you ever get hung up on a move, just return to home walking or walk in place. So let's set my watch here. It's going to be for an indoor walk. About 10 minutes. You got this. Day 2, I am strong. I know you're feeling strong and ready, raring to go. Let's go ahead and work a little bit to build up some heat in the body. And right off the bat, let's get our arms going. Go ahead and find some circles with the arms, big or small shapes here. Open up through the chest, the upper back. See what feels good. Check in with your body. Check in with your breath here. Nice. And move your body in a healthy way today. Today and every day, but especially today, day 2. I love incorporating weights into these walking videos, walking workouts. And I hope you like it too. If you're following along, go ahead and reverse your circles. Take your time here. So happy to have you today. If we've not met, my name is Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, a wellness professional, and I create videos here on YouTube and online to help you feel more connected, more balanced, and reduced stress in your well-being, in your health journey. And I love helping folks in all stages, all seasons of life. And if that's kind of your jam, if that's resonating with you, my friend, you have found the right spot. Make it happen today. 10 minutes is not that long. We're going to work on 5 different exercises to build strength in the upper body. Start with your walk. I'm going to show you the other moves. So it's going to be a knee lift. Now lift a knee, lift a knee. And yeah, right away, get the arms going. So fingertips up towards the shoulders. As the arms reach up, lift the knee. Whew, yeah. Maybe feel that engagement in the core. Keep moving here. Belly draws in towards the spine. Strengthening, supporting our low back here. Yeah, it's all connected. Here we are for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Return to home base. Walk it out. Check in with your breath. You can take your talk test. Say a 5 to 6 word sentence without getting too winded. If you do feel too winded, you back out of it a little bit. It's pretty simple. Nice. And next move, let's take a kick. We're going to kick and kick, both arms reach. Whew. Boom, boom. You got it. Legs might be high like mine. You might be a little bit lower to the ground. You can also do, especially today's workout, if you have a chair, if you kind of get wore out in our 10 minutes of walking, you could do a lot of these moves seated too. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk it out. Love to make these workouts accessible for all folks, all people, all seasons of the game, right? Any stage of life. And I also really like to keep things nice and simple. So we're not learning dance moves. And I've got these 4 basic moves, and then we kind of build from there. So we kind of have that nice foundation. And yeah, if you ever get hung up, just come back here. Walk it out. Last move is the side step. And create some space for yourself here. We're going to step and step. If you're raring to go, you sink the hips down a little bit lower. Activate some more of those muscles of independence, those backside muscles. Your hips, your thighs, your back end. These are so important and imperative to keep nice and strong here, especially so that we can move throughout our day with fluidity, balance, not feeling all stiff, overworked. Nice. Let's open things up on their own. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go ahead and walk here. We're about 4 minutes in. We're going to get started with the weights. So if you do have a set of weights, go ahead and grab those now. If you're new to the weights, I want you to just have a nice strong grip on the weights. You can keep walking here. And then we're going to start with a bicep curl. So hug your elbows towards midline. Hands are down by your sides. And then in your own time, start to bring the wrists, the weights up towards the shoulders. And then lower down. And check in. How'd that feel? Now if you need to, you can set the weights down and just do this with body weight, and that's totally fine. We don't have to work on a bunch of reps right now, right? Just activate that bicep muscle. Lots of other muscles are turned on, but we're really isolating, focusing on this muscle in the upper arm. Nice. If you need to stop walking, that's okay too. You know, some of us really have trouble doing a couple things at one time. I certainly do. So if you need to just stand in place as you do your bicep curls, that's fine. Wherever you are, let's try 3 more. Your time to lift and lower. For 2. And last one. Nice job. Keep the arms in hand, or keep the weights in hand, and just walk. Well done. All right. From here, you can place the weights kind of like at chest level and then just press them together. Elbows are drawn in towards midline, and then come up with your knee lifts. Lift and lift. Yeah. Nice. Belly is drawing in. We're breathing. If this is a little too much, you can set the weights down. You might want a chair in front of you or a wall to help with some support. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Walk it out. Our next weighted move. Let's take our goalpost arms. So you're still walking, or your feet might be not walking. You might be standing still. Take the arms up. Elbows are at a 90 degree. The wrists are facing towards the front of the room. And then from here, we'll start to draw the elbows towards each other. Just watch your face. And then open up. So focusing on the chest, the pec muscles, shoulders are engaged, upper back body. Nice job. We call this a goalpost press. And the elbows do not have to come all the way together. Just maintain safety anytime you're using the weights. Let's do 1 more of these. Nice job. And just for a moment, safely lower the weights and set them down by your side. Nice. Let's take our side steps. Find your space, sink it down. Fast or slow, big or small shapes, your pace, not mine. I'm so proud of you. We're doing a great job here. You made that commitment for day 2 of our walking journey. This is fantastic. Whew. I've been really enjoying creating these videos for you, and it's so lovely to hear from folks all over the world, inspiring me to continue, but also inspiring others to make that commitment to their own health and well-being and make a change, a positive change in this world. For 3, 2, and 1, walk it out. I need to take my own recommendation and slow things down. I'm getting a little winded here. But you got this. Make any changes you need. We're at 8 minutes already. Holy cow. All right, let's get a couple more weighted exercises in. The next one is a tricep kickback. So do something for me. Find stillness and then hinge at your waistline, fold over. So not overarching or underarching the back. And then we're going to bring the weights up towards the shoulders, and notice my elbows are hugged in towards midline. And then one at a time or together, we're going to press the weights back and then bring it back. Okay, so we're going to press the weights towards the back and then bring the weights back towards midline. So we're targeting this tricep muscle, this big upper muscle here. Get a lot of requests from my students. How can I get rid of that fat back there? Well, this is a great way to work on that. Another way is push-ups. You can do push-ups at the wall or on the traditional push-ups on the ground. You can also use a chair, sturdy chair. Nice job. Let's do 2 more. In your own time, push back. And we'll make this our last one wherever you've landed. Well done, my friend. Walk it out. Keep the weights in hand. Oh yeah, coming up on 10 minutes real fast here. Great job. I want to show you one more move. It's a bend over chest fly. So find stillness in the feet. You can bend the knees a little or a lot. We're going to sink the hips back. And then from here, we're going to bring the arms up and lower down. So a key, we want to protect our shoulder joints. Do not allow the weights to go higher than your shoulders. This is a great one again for the chest, but also the back, upper back. And the arms, everything's really engaged here. Lower body. Let's do 3 more. Nice job. Let's do your own pace. Last one. Well done. Go ahead and set those weights safely to the side. Nice. Finish this walk up strong. Just a bit longer here. Move, move, move. All right, for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it. 10 minutes in the books. Go ahead and slow it down. Find some stillness here. Let's take some toe taps. So just a little tap out and a tap out. Well done, my friend. You did awesome today. See how fast that goes? A little bit of time can make all the difference in the world. If you're doing this in the morning, that's one of my favorite times to work out. This is a great way to start your day. Really give it that kick start. And it's nice and short, right? I like to keep these workouts short and accessible and at a reasonable time frame too. A lot of us don't have an hour to get to the gym or drive to the gym. It's great to not have to leave the house. We're here for 3, 2, 1. I always say do not skip these stretches, especially today. Go ahead and take your arms wide, give yourself a big hug. Opposite arm over top every once in a while, squeeze it in. So proud of us. Nice job. For 3, 2, and 1. Shake that out. We're going to send one arm high to the sky, a big breath in. Big breath out, fold over. Second side, take the other arm to the sky, big breath. Fold and release. Nice, and then drop it down, shake it out. Let's go ahead and we're going to turn to a crescent lunge. So plant the feet on the earth, step one leg back. I'm stepping my right leg back today. And then bend through that other front knee. Back and front knee can be bent. And stay here. You could have a chair in front of you for that added stability. If you want to follow along, go a little deeper, we're going to inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Hand can come to the upper thigh. Take your time to come back up. Go ahead and step forward. Shake it out. Second side. Plant the right foot, step the left foot behind if you're following me, and then bend both knees. Stay upright here. Or if you're ready, we'll inhale deeply. Exhale, hinge at your waist, fold down. Your gaze can be just down towards the foot there. Strong and stable. Upper body, lower body, the core is engaged, we're breathing. Slowly come out of there, stand up. We'll finish this physical practice with an angel breath. Inhale, sweep the arms high. Gaze might look up. Exhale, sweep the arms down. Go ahead and take hands to heart center. Just send a little gratitude to yourself for showing up for your practice and your fellow practitioners on the path. And give thanks for this moment and thanks for this breath. And I thank you so much for being a part of this journey and allowing me into your wellness life, being a part of your journey here. If you would like to learn more and connect with me deeper, please head to my website, emilydaugherty.com. Over there, I'll send you this little workbook. It's the General Stride Guide. It's a beginner's guide to home walking. Lots of tips and tools to get started on your wellness journey. I'm so happy that you're here and you committed and you made it through day 2. I'll see you tomorrow, day 3, coming right up. See you soon. Bye-bye.